Really buy and sell Instagram accounts? The answer is definitely yes. And so many people are trading Instagram accounts and they make a lot of money. And the website that we can do that is FameSwap. I put the link in the description below, and if you are interested in it, you can go and click on my link. So, on this website, you can buy not only Instagram but also YouTube and TikTok accounts. And in this case, we are looking for an Instagram account to buy. So, basically, when you get in, you can check on Instagram, and then you can see we can choose audience report for that Instagram, and also we can do with escrow if we want to pay the payment by a middleman, which is this website. And then we also can choose an account with original email. The audience size I can choose from under 10k to 1 million and above. And for the categories, there are a lot of them, but I think it's not so accurate. You actually can leave this alone. We do not need to pick. However, if you want to, you can still. Um, but there's one thing that I don't like about this is each time when you tick, the site will take time to load, and then you will choose the account. But in this case, I will choose all. And then for the audience size, I'm going to choose 10k to 50k followers. Once you get a small account like this, it's really easy to grow your accounts bigger. You can also choose the audience targeted in specific countries like United States, United Kingdom, Canada. However, based on my experience, I think these are not so accurate, because when people list their accounts, they will try to uh, check on these countries so that accounts, their selling accounts will get more exposure. Also, if you want to have these filter, you need to be a paid member on this website. So if you are really into working with trading accounts, or you are interested in buying an Instagram account for yourself, you can keep watching. Okay, so there are a lot of them, and then you will check the audience size here, and then the price, the listing time. Normally I would say the average price is about $100 per 10k followers. You should choose based on your own budget. But my advice, if you want to own that account and grow it for yourself, 10k to 50k followers are good to go, or maybe only from 10 to 20k is fine. You can apply some of the methods that I share in my YouTube channel. If you have not watched them yet, you can subscribe to my channel to see more. And then you will see everything to check. I often check the budget and then the audience size, and then I will check the username to see if it is something that I am looking for. So here I already choose the black cat family from this user. So as you can see here, first of all, I will click on his username to see if this one is a trader, or he owns his account himself and then he are trying to sell them. Why? I would prefer to buy accounts from people like this, because if these are his accounts, he will spend his time on growing it. But if you are buying accounts from those traders, they will not put the time. I mean, his passion into growing the accounts. So sometimes you can get the account for pretty cheap. However, as you can check the engagement is pretty low, or maybe the latest posts was way back in the history. So yeah, um, after that I will check to see the post if it is congruent with the followers. If you see like they have 100 posts and then they got 42k followers, it doesn't make sense, right? Because basically people can buy followers for really cheap. I sell followers myself. I know how the business works. So yeah, you have to be really really careful for not buying fake followers, and then you will just put your money into the trash bin. um, then you see the average likes, average comments, the engagement rates. This is the cat niche, so 2% engagement is a little bit low, I think. um, then if you are a paid member on this website, you also have the feature which is download 3 report per days. So what is this report? Basically, it show you the name, the username of the Instagram account. If you are a free member, you cannot see all full name like this. And if you are a paid member, you can see, and you can go to your Instagram account and then you check this account for yourself. You can actually contact the seller over Instagram too. And now if you scroll down, you will see the engagement rate here. You can see this is the interesting part where you see the audience details. The follower located mostly in the United States, 22%, but it's still a little bit low for me. I would choose 40% and above, so it worth the money, like $100 for 10k followers. And then those should be from 25 to 44, or 18 to 44 is okay, because these are the buyer group. So we are focusing on people who are likely to buy from what we have to offer if we own the accounts. And then the cities. These rates are okay. Yeah, because 3 out of 5 are from big cities, from top tier 1 country, UK and US. So yeah, after that you can contact the seller over Instagram or here. If you want to buy the accounts, there are several ways. You can contact them and tell them if you want to pay over PayPal, it's fine, or if you want to do escrow with FameSwap, you can do that. However, they will take fee, and this fee can be paid by you or the seller. It depends on you guys. So if you don't want to pay for the fee, because you already pay for the upfront fee to be the member on this website, so yeah, you can work with the seller and then pay over PayPal. That's what I do, and I never have a problems, because I see most of the people I work with, they are really friendly. They are also really high responsive to all of my questions, and they will try their best to make sure that I can get the accounts like there's no problems at all. So yeah, that's all about this website. If you have any questions, feel free to put in the comment section below. And if you like my videos, please give it a like, a subscribe, so I will have more motivation to make more videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and this is Thanh from hithanhdotcom.